Good morning, dear students. I, Rajesh Kumar, your science teacher. Today, we will complete the last segment of this chapter, chapter 3, fiber to fabric. Okay, the last segment is plant fiber, we will cover today. Okay, today, what we covered in earlier three parts: fiber and its importance, wool processing, silk history, and fabric also. And in today's class, we will discuss about plant fiber, how fiber is obtained from plants, what are its different sources, what is its use. Okay, we will all study in this particular class, and in the last few slides of this class, we will study about the keywords and what we learned in this particular chapter, and then the exercise questions. Okay, let's move forward. Plant fiber. The common plant fiber are cotton and jute. We all know cotton is obtained from flower of cotton plant. In Hindi we call it kapas or rui. Okay, then jute fiber is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. Okay, let's study both of them one by one. Okay, first we will study about cotton, how the cultivation of cotton is done. Cotton is cultivated in black clayly soil. Okay, it needs warm climate. The sowing of cotton crop is done in early spring. Okay, the conditions are the soil must be of what kind? It is clayly soil, and climate needed is high, hot and humid temperature. Okay, and it is cropped early in spring. The cotton plants are bushy and about 1 to 2 meter tall. The height of the cotton plant will be, it can be 1 meter, it can be 2 meter. The plant starts flowering in about 60 days. Okay, the time duration is 60 days. Give whitish yellow flower. Okay, the color of the flower will be yellow, whitish yellow. The flowers turn reddish in few days. The changes those will take place in the cotton flower in 60 days are described here. Few days. Flowers slowly grow into spherical walnut like structures. These are called cotton balls. Okay, the walnut like structure, spherical walnut like structure is called cotton ball. The fibers of the cotton grow on these seeds. After some time, the green cotton balls turn brown. At maturity, the cotton balls burst open and white cotton fiber can be seen, and then this white cotton fiber can be plucked, can be picked up by the farmers or the workers. Okay, let's study furthermore processing of cotton, how cotton is processed, how it is converted into usable forms. The cotton, the processing steps are ginning and spinning. The cotton picked up from the plants has seeds in it. The process of removing cotton seeds from the pods is called ginning. Okay, the ginning was traditionally done by hands. Nowadays, machines are used in the modern era of technology. Okay, earlier it was done by hands manually. It takes lots of time. Okay, and next step is spinning. The process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. The raw cotton is supplied to industry in the form of bales. Okay, then it is spins and it got converted into yarn. Okay, let's study more further. Steps in making cotton yarn. What are the steps those are required? What is the process of making the cotton yarn? It is the raw cotton is loosened and cleaned to remove straw and dried leaves. The clean cotton is then fed into a machine. The cotton fiber are combined, combed, sorry, not combined, combed, straightened and converted into a rope-like structure called silver. Okay, then the silver of cotton fiber are converted into yarn by spinning using machines. Okay, whatever raw cotton we got from the fields, it is loosened and cleaned to remove the straw and the dirt or other particles. Then the cleaned cotton is then fed it into the machine, and the same cotton fibers are combed to make it straight and converted into rope like structure, and these are called silver. Okay, the silver of cotton fiber is converted into yarn by spinning using machines. Okay, let's move further. Processing of cotton. Okay, we have already studied two steps earlier: ginning and spinning. Now weaving and knitting. Okay, the process of arranging two sets of yarn together to make fabric is called weaving. बुनना in हिंदी, बुनते हैं, बुनकर कारीगर जो बनाते हैं, that process is called weaving, and the person who did this is called weaver. Okay, the big reels of yarn are called bobbins. These bobbins are used for weaving the clothes. Cloth is woven on looms. After that, they bleached and dyed to give a finish. Okay, they are the big reels of yarn are used for woven on looms, and then they can be bleached and dyed for giving different kinds of color and a particular finish so that they can be used further. Knitting can be done by hands and machines. Just two yarns are used in knitting, while more than two yarns are used in weaving. Okay, then sweater, socks, scarf, caps are to knitted from the wool. Okay, in winter season normally you have seen wearing the person's sweaters, socks, winter socks, scarf also, as well as the caps are used by the human being that are made up of wool, and this is obtained from the plant fiber. Okay, let's move further. Cotton in India. How cotton is obtained? Cotton is cultivated mainly in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh. These are the states which produces or generates maximum of the cotton and required by the whole country. They are the main producing states in India. Those are the consumers of cotton in India. Uses of cotton. Cotton is mostly used for making clothes of various kinds. Examples: towels, bed sheets, curtains, saris, other clothes also, wearable clothes, kurta, pajama, other clothes also. You can use handkerchief also, it can be made of cotton. Okay, so a question can be asked from you: name the five states those produces cotton in India. Then your answer should be Maharashtra, Gujarat, Haryana, okay, Punjab and Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu as well as MP also. These are the states those produces cotton in large amount. Okay, let's move further. Jute. Our second type of plant fiber, it is jute. Jute fiber is obtained by the stem of the jute plant. It is cultivated in the rainy season. Jute fiber is a pale yellow in color and 2 to 3 meter long. Jute fiber is very much strong in comparison to cotton fiber. Okay, jute fiber has silky texture. Okay, we studied about the characteristics also of the jute fiber. Its color will be pale yellow and the color of cotton was whitish yellow in the earlier stages, and then it's the white color of the cotton fiber finally before being dyed. Okay, jute is grown in alluvial alluvial soil, which is found usually in delta region of the Ganges and Gangas and Brahmaputra rivers. Okay, this jute fiber is cultivated in the regions of nearby regions of Ganga and Brahmaputra river. In India, jute is mainly grown in West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. Okay, the jute plant are about 2.5 to 3.5 meter in height. If you will compare jute with cotton, then the height of cotton plant was 1 to 2 meter only, and the height for jute plant is 2.5 to 3.5 meter. Okay, its height will be more in comparison to that. Okay, it bears yellow flower in 3 to 4 months. That means it will take more time. The time duration of jute plant is more in comparison to the cotton plant usually takes 60 days, 2 months around, and it takes almost double times for the cotton plant. Let's move further. Jute plant are usually cut at flowering stage. A good quality fiber is obtained from the jute plant, which are cut at the flowering stage. Okay, after falling of dry leaves, the bundles of dry plants are kept in a pond for a few days. In this period, the gummy skin rots out to separate the fiber. Okay, the process is called rating. Okay, the another important thing is process is called rating. The jute fiber is obtained from the rated jute by hands. It is done manually. Okay, jute fiber is mainly used for making gunny bags, shopping bags, ropes, carpet, curtains, etc. Okay, in these days, jute fibers are more used because of the harmful effects of plastics. Jute and cotton fibers are in more tradition for using shopping bags, ropes, carpets, curtains, other also. Okay, synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber is quite strong, wrinkle resistance and quick drying. These are used in making the different materials like cloth, neckties, sails, sweaters, shawls, carpet and blankets. They are also used in making boats, skating boards also. Okay. Now, what you learn in this chapter? Try to write down the answer of the keywords in your notebook. Cocoon, fleece, reeling, scouring, sericulture, shearing, silk moth, silkworm, shorting. These are the keywords used in this chapter. So learn and write them in your notebook. And what you learned, you can see silk comes from silkworm and wool is obtained from sheep, goat and yak. Hence silk and wool are animal fibers. Hair of camel, llama and alpaca are also processed to yield wool. In India, mostly sheep are reared for getting wool. Sheep hair is sheared off from the body, scoured, sorted, dried and dyed, spun and moved to and woven to yield wool. Silkworm are caterpillars of silk moth. During their life cycle, silkworms spin cocoons of silk fibers. Silk fiber are made up of a protein. Silk fiber form cocoons are separated out and reeled into silk thread. Weavers weave silk thread into silk cloth. Okay, this is what we learned in this chapter, and we also learned about the cotton as well as jute fiber also. These are the plant fibers. And now what you need to do the exercise questions given here in your notebook and try to solve out them maximum. If there will be any doubt in any questions, you can ask to me on my personal account. Okay, okay dear students, in this way we completed our chapter 3rd, that is fiber to fabric. So your homework is learn and write all the keywords as well as do exercise questions in your notebook. For any query, you are most welcome. Thank you so much. Have a good day, dear children. Enjoy your day. Thank you.